In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Let's begin by opening Settings and tapping on this section called Notifications. Now choose App Notifications at the top, and when you're ready, you need to click on Most Recent at the top. Once you do that, you will see all of those options. Thanks to them, you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Motorola, or only apps with notifications already blocked. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any app on the left, and this way not only manage notifications thanks to this switcher, but also check out and adjust all of those notification settings for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!